Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most asked questions: how to grow longer and healthier hair at home. Whether you have short hair or you're looking to get your hair to grow faster, I've got tons of tips and tricks for you. So let's dive right in. Growing long and healthy hair is a journey, but with the right habits and care, you can achieve those goals faster than you think. Let's explore some of the most effective tips and routines that can make all the difference. Segment 1. Healthy scalp equals healthy hair. Before we talk about growing longer hair, we need to discuss the foundation, your scalp. A healthy scalp is crucial for hair growth, and there are several ways to make sure your scalp is in top shape. One of the simplest and most effective methods is scalp massage. Just gently massage your scalp for about 5 to 10 minutes daily. This increases blood circulation to your hair follicles, promoting growth. You can use your fingers or a scalp massaging tool, either way. It's super relaxing and beneficial. You can also incorporate essential oils into your scalp massages. Tea tree oil, peppermint oil, and castor oil are all known for stimulating hair growth. Add a few drops to your scalp massage routine, and you'll start seeing results in a few weeks. Segment 2. Proper hair washing routine. Next up, washing your hair. We all know that washing your hair is essential. But did you know that how often you wash it and the products you use matter? Overwashing your hair can strip it of its natural oils, which are essential for healthy growth. Ideally, you want to wash your hair about 2 to 3 times a week. If you have oily hair, you can go a little more frequently, but don't overdo it. Use sulfate-free shampoos that are gentle on your hair. Sulfates can be harsh, leading to dryness and breakage. Look for shampoos with natural ingredients like aloe vera, argan oil, or coconut oil. Segment 3. Condition, condition, condition. Conditioning your hair is just as important as washing it, if not more so. Conditioners lock in moisture and keep your strands hydrated, which is key to preventing breakage. Make sure to condition your hair every time you wash it. Focus on the ends of your hair, as they tend to get the most dry and brittle. If your hair is particularly dry, you can also try deep conditioning once a week. I love using a deep conditioning mask once a week. This helps restore moisture and nutrients to your hair. And you can find some amazing at-home masks using ingredients like honey, avocado, and olive oil. Segment 4. Avoiding heat and damage. Let's talk about heat damage. If you want longer, healthier hair, you need to minimize the use of heat tools like straighteners, curling irons, and blow dryers. I get it. Heat styling is super convenient, but using it too often can lead to split ends and breakage. If you absolutely must use heat, always apply a heat protectant first to shield your hair from damage. One of the best ways to avoid heat damage is to let your hair air dry whenever possible. Air drying is the gentlest option, and your hair will thank you in the long run. Segment 5. Nutrition and hydration. Now, let's talk about something that people often forget: your diet. The food you eat has a huge impact on the health of your hair. Make sure you're getting plenty of protein in your diet, as hair is made of keratin, a protein. Foods like salmon, eggs, beans, and nuts are all great sources of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which support hair growth. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Drinking water helps keep your hair hydrated from the inside out, promoting a healthier scalp and longer strands. Segment 6. Hair supplements. Speaking of nutrition, there are some hair growth supplements you can try as well. Biotin, for example, is a B vitamin that supports hair growth. You can find biotin supplements in most health stores, or you can look for multivitamins with biotin included. Just make sure you're following the recommended dosage. Segment 7. Trimming and protecting your hair. Regular trims might seem counterproductive when you're trying to grow long hair, but they're actually crucial. Trimming your hair every 6 to 8 weeks helps prevent split ends and breakage, which can slow down your hair growth. If you're unsure how to trim your hair at home, visit a professional stylist. But if you're comfortable, you can trim the tips of your hair to keep it healthy. Lastly, protect your hair while you sleep. Switching to a satin or silk pillowcase can reduce friction, which prevents breakage and frizz. And if you can, try loosely braiding your hair before bed to minimize tangling. So, there you have it. Growing longer and healthier hair at home isn't as hard as it seems. It's all about consistency and taking care of your scalp, hair, and body. Incorporate these tips into your routine, and you'll start seeing results soon. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more hair care and beauty tips. Drop any questions or additional tips you have in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.